Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can watch TikTok posts offline. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to settings and privacy, and just scroll down until you see offline videos. So you just want to tap on that. This will just let you know, download videos to watch offline. They'll be refreshed with new content when you're next connected to Wi-Fi. So you can have 50 videos, 100 videos, or up to 200 videos. And it'll also tell you the watch time underneath each choice. So obviously just pick whichever one suits you and select download. And you'll see that the videos are going to be downloaded here. And what you can do is click on the settings cog in the top right, and it'll show you downloading all the videos. You can also download over Wi-Fi only if you want to do that. And you can clear on the bottom right. So that's how you can watch TikTok posts offline. Thanks for watching.